What I loved about this blow dryer is that surprisingly I didn't lose that much hair. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review and demo on the Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer, which Dyson kindly gifted to me. Thank you, Dyson. And so I wanted to share my feedback and thoughts on how I found using it on my hair. But before we get into all of that, let me just show you what is inside the box. So we've got the start of the show, which is the Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer, which looks so nice and sleek, and I just love the fuchsia colour pink around the inside rim. Then we've got 3 comb attachments which can be used depending on the outcome you want. There's the gentle air attachment, which is designed for fine hair and sensitive scalps. There is the styling concentrator, which is designed for precision styling. And then we have the smooth nozzle, which creates a smooth airflow and smoother finish. So there's also the diffuser, which is designed for defined curls and waves. And finally, we have the wide tooth comb attachment, which is designed to shape and lengthen afro textured hair as it dries. And this is the attachment I'll be using. But just so you know that this doesn't come in the box and is sold separately for an additional cost of £30, which Dyson kindly gifted to me as well. So all the attachments are magnetic. So you can attach it directly to the blow dryer and it locks in place and doesn't budge, which is really convenient, and it firmly stays in place. So you can see that I was tugging on it, which shows how secure it is. So just for you to get a better look of the dryer, it's a good size, it's not too big or heavy when you pick it up. It's got a nice smooth finish with lots of setting features, which we'll get into. So this is how it sounds. There's 3 speed settings on the left side, which are the styling setting, the regular drying setting and the faster drying setting. On the right side there's 4 temperatures. You've got the constant cold, you've got 60 degrees for gentle drying, you've got 80 degrees for regular drying, and then you've got 100 degrees for faster drying and styling. So hey guys, moving on to my hair. It's been washed, deep conditioned and twisted up, and I'm about to apply a small amount of moisture, which is the Aunt Jackie's instant detangling therapy, which is what I always do before I blow dry my hair. And then once I have applied the moisture, I'll then apply a heat protectant, and the one I'm using is the Kira Care Thermal One, the 6-in-1 heat protectant. Both of these products will be in the description box along with the links for anyone wanting to know where you can get them. So I'm just combing out my hair to remove any little knots and tangles. As I mentioned previously, I'll be using the wide tooth comb attachment, and I've set the setting on the lowest for the blow dryer. So as it's my first time using this, I'm just testing and getting a feel of how this blow dryer works. And whenever I use heat, I always keep it low, as I don't really use heat on my hair anyway. And I'm also always extra cautious when using heat to avoid damage. I mean, this blow dryer claims that there's no extreme heat, so you'd think I'd be more comfortable knowing that, you know, that it's not going to damage my hair, but paranoia always kicks in. I mean, tell me if you're the same in the comments. I'm sure I'm not the only one who is like this. So let me give you the lowdown on the blow dryer and how I found using it. So Dyson claims that this blow dryer is 6 times faster than other blow dryers. It produces a high pressure, high velocity jet of controlled air for faster drying, and the dryer's intelligent heat controls prevents extreme temperatures, protecting against overheating. Magnetic comb attachment stayed put the entire time, so if you're wondering whether it's going to go flying off in the air when you're blow drying, the answer is no. It does fix really tight in place, as I showed you, so you shouldn't have any issues with that. But compared to my Revlon one-step styler brush, the Dyson blow dryer dried my hair a lot quicker, and I believe it took about 45 minutes, whereas the Revlon brush took about an hour and 15 minutes. So this typically cut the time down by 30 minutes, which is really good. But if you're using the highest setting of 100 degrees for faster drying, then it will definitely take you a lot less time. I mean, you could be looking at about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your length of hair. Also, what I loved about this blow dryer is that surprisingly I didn't lose that much hair at all, because again with my Revlon blow dryer there was usually like a build up of hair stuck inside the brush, but it wasn't the case with this attachment, and I didn't notice much hair blowing all over the place either, which I guess means less breakage. So the volume of this blow dryer is just as loud as any other blow dryer I've used, but obviously this will vary depending on the setting that you are using. This is the lowest one, so it will be louder than what you can hear. Okay, so that is half of my hair done, which roughly took about 20 minutes. So although this blow dryer isn't very heavy, I did find that after a while of blow drying, it did kind of, you know, put a little bit of strain on my wrist. So that's the only thing that I did notice about that. But at the time of reviewing this blow dryer, the current price is £299.99 on Dyson's website, which it is a lot of money, but I've tried to search online for a cheaper price to help you guys out, for those of you that want to get one of these. And the best price that I found was on Amazon for £280. I mean, it's not a big difference, but it's still cheaper, and I'll leave the link for that in the description box for you to check it out. But it's also available on Dyson's website along with the wife tooth comb attachment, which again is £30. So with my hair, I didn't actually blow my hair out from the roots, and probably about 4 inches part way down, because I didn't really want to put too much tension on those areas, especially as I wasn't particularly going for a bone straight look, which I never really do, but more of a voluminous stretched out look. And I blow dried in sections. I didn't get round to combing out my hair fully, but I'll share some pictures of how it looked at the end. So guys, that sums up my review and demo on the Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer. I did try to cover as much information as I could that I thought would be useful for you to know. But if you have any other comments or questions, do let me know below. And also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have one of these blow dryers and what you think of it, or whether you're actually thinking of getting one. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.